In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom personal injury case pipeline in GoHighLevel. We'll start right inside your GoHighLevel workspace. Head to the left-hand menu and open Opportunities. This is where you'll manage deals and cases, and it's the perfect place to visualize your personal injury workflow. Once you're in Opportunities, switch over to the Pipelines view. Here you can see existing pipelines and create a new one tailored to your firm. Click the button to create a new pipeline. Give it a clear, practical name so your team instantly knows what it's for, something like personal injury cases. A good name makes reporting and filtering much easier later on. You'll likely see some default stages. Remove anything you don't need so the pipeline reflects your real process. Keeping only relevant stages reduces clutter and helps your team move cases forward with confidence. Now add your custom stages one by one. Start with Under Medical Review. Add another stage and name it Retainer Sent. Add another for Medical Treatment Ongoing. Add a stage called Demand Letter Sent. Add Medical Malpractice. Then add Litigation Discovery. Next, add Case Settled, 1. Finally, add Case Closed, Lost. If your pipeline already includes an initial new lead stage, keep it at the front so new matters have a consistent starting point. When you're happy with the lineup, save it by clicking Create. This locks in your pipeline structure so you can start using it right away. To make the pipeline even more intuitive, assign colors to each stage. Click a stage name to open its settings and pick a color. Use blue for new lead, yellow for under medical review, orange for retainer sent, purple for medical treatment, ongoing, dark orange for demand. Letter sent, red for litigation, discovery, green for case settled, 1, and gray for case closed, lost. For any stages not listed in that set, choose a distinct color your team will recognize at a glance. Consistent colors build muscle memory and make your board scannable in seconds. That's it. You've built a focused, easy-to-navigate personal injury pipeline in GoHighLevel. As you start using it, keep your stage names consistent across locations and review the board regularly to ensure each case sits in the correct stage. If you ever need to adjust, you can edit stage names and colors later without disrupting your data. With this setup, your team can track every matter from intake to resolution, keep communication clear, and report on progress with confidence.